Welcome to another video. This time we're looking at setting up the AWS CLI and we'll be trying the access key method. Go to the AWS website and search for CLI in the search box. Choose your operating system on the right. I'm using Linux. There are 3 commands to install this on Linux. You can run them sequentially or separately. Today I'll do them separately. The top one is curl. It will download the files. Unzip. And finally install. We can get our access key from the IAM section. If you only have a root account, I suggest you set up a separate IAM account. Go to Users, find your account and click on the Security Credentials tab. And then create access key. You may need to modify the CSV file to include username with a space in between. We can now import the access key. Thanks for watching.